so I am going to bring you all into the wealth tech RA space. I thought this was huge news with Orion buying Redtail. I didn't think that this got the play that it should have gotten in the crypto space because it means a lot for financial advisors that are looking to do crypto for their clients. Look no further than the 23,000 firms that Orion serves. And together, Orion and Redtail serve 650 firms together. Why this matters is this. I was talking to a compliance officer recently that said one of the things that they are encouraging financial advisors to do that want to bring in crypto to their practice is to use Orion because of the reporting, right? Just the data. It's a big data story and the ability to see what clients are doing away, or if you are allocating on behalf of clients to be able to see that, report it based on the compliance issues and everything else. And for those that don't know, the RIA space is highly regulated. Financial advisors are still trying to figure out the best way to integrate this into the practice. So Redtail being a CRM, highly used by advisors, one of the most requested tools for advisors, and Orion just being the behemoth in the space, those two coming together are huge. I know this is like speaking calculus to you three, but I'll say this. I'll just open it up to the group.
How do you know that?
Have you?
There you are. Another spot on assumption right there.
You nailed it.
Spot on.
I was far out, but I'll just open it up to the entire group. If you know you've been engaging with an advisor at all, when you look at the space, is this something where you feel like this will help you all engage with the advisor to do your crypto, or am I going to do it solo?
I'll take it up.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm clueless when it comes to this stuff, so it's actually super helpful. I feel like there's a ton of people in crypto who get in for the tech. They think it's interesting or cool. They have no cares about the finance side. Or they get in for the finance side, and what I mean finance and crypto is just trading. They got into trade and flip tokens really fast. And they don't know anything about this stuff. Like I talked to some of my friends who are finance majors or went to wealth management, wealth investing. We're speaking totally different languages. And there does need to be a pairing of these two worlds, right? If we think about crypto moving into the traditional scene, which it needs to in order to get more liquidity, higher prices, more maturation, like you need those things to happen, then the two sides need to start talking with each other. And there is a huge language gap between the stuff that the traditional people are talking about and the token flippers on the other side that are just worried about like wind, moon. Zach, actually, Jen, I'll give it to you for your take.
Yeah, as I was reading the story this morning and trying to do like mental athletics to figure out what was going on, I did a little bit of research and found out that the Redtail CEO is actually very bullish on crypto. So this is a quote from a Yahoo Finance article. Redtail CEO Brian McLaughlin at the beginning of this year said there's a lot of stuff coming in the financial space that will be focused on crypto. There's been a massive shift to it. On the other hand, it's so volatile still, and there seems to be almost no stability, and that's kind of scary to advisors and their clients. At this point, they're still dabbling in crypto and NFTs and trying to figure out how to provide it in a better fashion. And so I just feel like, you know, this merger speaks volumes, or not merger, sorry, this acquisition speaks volumes to the fact that crypto is here to stay. The fact that now we have people who, like Brian McLaughlin, are the CEOs of technology platforms like this saying, you know, advisors and their clients need to be able to understand this, and I'm going to do everything that it takes to provide them a solution. I think he also said in that article that, you know, he wants to provide a solution so they don't have to go to the Coinbases and the crypto.coms. I think it's kind of cool, and that's what I learned this morning.